Hey everyone, Vinay here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to see how to install PostgreSQL and then start the server. First of all, go to this URL and then based on your operating system, select that. So currently in my scenario, it's Windows. So I'm going to select Windows. And then here you can see that there are multiple versions, but click on this option, download the installer option. And here you can see based on which version you want, you can select that. So currently it's 17.4 and mine is Windows. So I'm going to select this one and it's going to start downloading that version. Once the file is downloaded, just double click on that and proceed further for the instructions to install it. So once the installation of PostgreSQL is done, then if you go to program files in your C drive, and then you're going to see there is a folder called PostgreSQL, and double click on that, and here it's 17 version. Just double click on that, and to start the SQL server or to start the PostgreSQL server, just go to bin. And then here there will be something called pgcontrol.exe file. Okay, so just double click on that and it's going to start the Postgres server. It's going to be started automatically when you double click on that. So to connect to that database server that we have started, I'm going to use DBeaver software. Again, you can use pgadmin as well. Again, pgadmin is a software through which you can connect to any Postgres database. So I'm going to use DBeaver because it has all other different kinds of database connections. So it is easier and moreover it's a free version. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and it's going to ask me to select which is the database. I'm going to use Postgres database, and by default, you can see that once you click on that pg_ctrl.exe file that we have seen earlier, it's going to start a Postgres database server. By default, it's going to run in localhost 5432 port, and the default database is Postgres, and then the default username is also Postgres, and the default password is also Postgres. And if you just click on test connection, and it says that successfully connected, that means our Postgres database server is running, and click on OK and click on finish. So now we have this one. So this is, you can see that inside that we have our default database that we have selected, Postgres database. Now you can create more databases, or within the existing database you can create multiple schemas. So that is all possible from here itself. So that is how you install and start a Postgres server in Windows. And now if you ever want to stop the Postgres server, head over to Task Manager and go to Processes and search for this pg_ctl or PostgreSQL server. If your server is running, you're going to see these two files. So right click it and just click on end tasks. So it's going to stop the Postgres server. And again, if you want to start it back, you go to that program files and then bin folder, and then double click on that to start that server again. I hope you like this video. Please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Vinay signing off.